In this lecture we will see the answers of solution of quiz 2. The first question is the Nyquist of the given signal, which is xt is equal to 20 sin square. Okay, sin square 400t. So we know since, what is sin function? Since x is equal to sin pi x upon pi x. Okay, this is sin function, sin x. Okay, so in this case 20 sin square means sin 400 pi t का whole square. Okay, so we know sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta 800 pi t, okay, upon 2, and there is no significance of this. So frequency is 800 pi. Okay, so maximum frequency is omega, this is ohm, max is equal to 800 radian per second, 800 pi. Okay, so we can calculate maximum frequency 2 pi omega is equal to 2 pi f, means 400. Okay, so Nyquist rate is max is equal to 800 pi. Okay, and f is equal to 400. Okay, so Nyquist rate is equal to fs is equal to twice of fm. Okay, twice of fm. This is, and Nyquist rate will be 800. Okay, Nyquist will be 800. So answer of first question is 800 hertz Nyquist rate. Second question answer, we know relation between continuous time and discrete time and Ts. Okay, this is continuous time and this is discrete time. Third question, x omega is given. First of all plot the x omega, and this is x omega is given, and y omega is written as x omega convolution this, and we know this is nothing but delta omega minus 6 if we start from k is equal to minus 2 to plus 2, plus delta omega minus 3 plus delta omega plus, okay, like that, plus delta omega minus 3 delta omega minus 6. Okay, so whole sequences are these, and we know x omega convolution delta omega plus 6 plus delta omega delta omega plus 3 plus delta omega plus delta omega minus 6. Okay, 3 plus delta omega, and using property of impulse we can get the output, and the output will be like this. Okay, x convolution delta omega plus 6 is equal to x omega plus 6. This is the property of convolution. Okay, and using this property we can get the output. Okay, sampling theorem states that fs should be greater than or equal to 1, and option D and option B is all correct. Okay, both options are correct. And frequency response of e to the power minus 2 tut, we know Fourier transform of this 1 upon j omega plus 2, and magnitude of this is 1 upon under root omega square plus 4. Okay, so at omega equal to 0, this is 0.5. First option is correct. Okay, answer is this. So in this similar question as equation number as question number 1, and but highest frequency of this, so omega max is equal to 1200 pi, and so maximum frequency is 600 hertz and Nyquist rate will be 1200 hertz. So question number 1 and question number 6, there is no option matching, so don't worry, we will correct it. Okay, aliasing reconstruction process occurs due to undersampling. Okay, undersampling means fs should be less than equal to twice of fm. Okay, and spectral folding, because this is also known as spectral folding. Spectral folding means this, and this is spectral folding. Okay, aliasing. We know xt cos omega, and Fourier transform this x omega plus omega naught pi plus pi x omega minus omega naught. So maximum frequency will be this, and according to this maximum frequency will be 3 ohm naught divided by 2 maximum frequency, and Nyquist rate will be twice of this. So Nyquist rate will be fs is equal to twice of fm. Okay, and it should be twice, it should be 3 ohm naught. Okay, but remember here unit is radian per second, so this ohms and ohm m. Okay, so unit of this is radian per second. For the given signal, and the option, which option is correct? So first of all, find the Fourier transform, because this is capital X. Okay, so capital X means first of all take the Fourier transform, and Fourier transform of this is sinus function. You can calculate, and at this point at omega equal to 0, this is t. Okay, so option A is correct, and option C is also correct, because this is zero order hold reconstruction sequence. So both options are correct, A and C. Nyquist rate of this, we know Nyquist Fourier transform of this 1 upon a x omega by a, and we know x omega, this is ohm h and this is minus ohm h, and spectrum this is x ohm. Okay, and this is ohm s by 2. Okay, ohm naught divided by 2. So can we find x ohm naught by 2? Okay, so maximum frequency will be this, and this is a spectrum of x ohm by 2. Okay, and this is ohm h and this is minus ohm h. And what is Nyquist rate? Nyquist rate doubles the maximum frequency, so Nyquist rate will be twice of ohm naught. Okay, thank you.